person, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. For today's video, I have my Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail, so I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. I'm actually really excited to be opening it. I actually unsubscribed from Boxycharm for a little while, but here we are back on it again. So very excited for my subscription boxes this month, especially the Ipsy one, but we will talk about that one when that one comes in. So this is what the inside looks like. It's really cute. It's red for Valentine's Day for February. So here is the card. There is the Boxycharm XOXO, and then it has the products in the back. So it has prices and all that good stuff. So here's an overview of the actual products, just there for you guys to see. So in this box, the first product is this Saturday Skin YUZU Vitamin C Sleep Mask. So I actually have received something from Saturday Skin. I believe my sister gave it to me not that long ago. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty packaging, actually. You guys can see that. It's very interesting. I love the color yellow, so this is really pretty. It's gonna look super cute, just like on a vanity. It has a lemon on it, so I'm assuming it's lemon scented. That's what the inside looks like. It's a very interesting consistency. Comes with a little scoop here, so that's cute. It doesn't really smell like lemon though. So there's that. That's pretty cool. And according to this card, this retails for $29, and it's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pore stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Okay, maybe that wasn't a lemon, maybe that was a yuzu. Next thing that is in here is the TRESTIQUE, the I Do a Good Vibes Mascara Plus Eye Pencil. So it has a mascara, it has the Icelandic black lacquer, and the eye pencil and Santorini black sand. So that is what the packaging looks like. So it's like a 2-for-1 kind of a deal. TRESTIQUE makes really good products, so I'm excited to try these out. Here's the mascara. I know this mascara looks so extra. It's supposed to be like an on-the-go, everything that you need in one mascara. So it has like the thing to curl your lashes, and then it has actual mascara at the bottom. And then here it's a little pencil. The TRESTIQUE Eye Duo retails for $44, and it's an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Next item that is in here is the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. So it's really cute. It comes in like little dusty pink packaging. The actual product looks like this, continuation of the cute packaging. And then here's the actual product on the inside. So it's really cute, great for travel, I feel. Hence why I believe it's called the Getaway Palette. But these colors are just beautiful. They're neutral, but they kind of give you like that soft glam kind of a look. So it's really, really cute. This one retails for $36, and it says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So magic in your makeup. Next item that is in here is the St. Luxe limited edition liner duo. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks really sleek. I like the font of the letters. So it's 2 eyeliners or lip liners. Well, these are lip liners. Oh, and these colors are gorgeous. Do you see these? So it's like a brown and then like a terracotta kind of color. So cute. Ooh, I love how thick it is too. Look at that. It's pretty thick for a lip liner pencil. I'm so excited to use these. I'm not going to swatch them because I feel like when I swatch things, I break them, and I want to try them before they're broken. So that's going to stay in there, but they're very, very beautiful colors. Okay, so this lip duo retails for $40, and it says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. So last product that is in here is this Glamier. It's kind of faded here already, but it comes in this hot pink glittery bag. On the inside though, you have some brushes. Oh, but these brushes are really cute. So they move up and down. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. They're little hearts. That is so cute. So they're just eyeshadow brushes though. But oh, I love this. Love, love, love this. So these are the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glittering, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easier and flawless. And they retail for $29.95. Okay, hands down the brushes and the lip liners are my favorite. Everything else is cool, but like this just made the box for me. Okay, you guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up. If you enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. I really do hope that I get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
That's when I love you the most. Now I forgot I should let you know.